Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zulkhairil Benzul.
My name is Nurfiti Nabila binti Zakaria.
My name is Wana Emilia binti Wan Kamal Saifuddin.
My name is Suril Adila binti Muhammad Tajuddin.
My name is Nurul Najah binti Zainuri.
Introduction, analysis of the client need. There are few important things that need to be considering in order getting a perfect computer for Nawal that can meet all of her requirements. Firstly, operating system. There are a few operating system choice such as Windows, Unix, Mac OS or DOS. However, Windows seems to be a great choice for Nawal since Windows can deal with most of the software that has been developed. Secondly, a good processor is also important, so Nawal has two choices which are Intel or AMD. As for Intel, she can choose Intel Core i7 since it is faster. However, if she wants AMD, she can consider AMD 3400G since it's even better for her because she wants to play games. Thirdly, RAM. RAM is vital because it also allow faster access to file. Nawal can choose how many memory she wants, either 8GB or 16GB. Fourthly, Nawal need a full HD and a widescreen in order to do her assignment, playing game, and of course for editing process. Also, a great resolution is important for her, such as HD 1920 x 1080 for better quality image. Lastly, hard disk is vital for a computer, and there are two options which are hard disk drive HDD or solid state drive SSD. SSD is better for Nawal since Nawal want to have large programming and high capacity of software in her computer.
As for the motherboard, we highly suggest Gigabyte B450 or less. It supports Ryzen 3rd generation, which has more features that can overload CPU. It also supports SATA port to connect with SSD and Type-C cable, which can help to speed transfer data. It also has new features so that it will keep up with the technology, such as driver for LAN port to improve internet connection. This motherboard has compatible with the processor that we suggest, which is Ryzen 5 3400G. The price of this processor is only $429.
For computer case, it is the outer shell of a computer and usually contains motherboard, hard drive, optical drive and many more. However, computer case is an optional for the computer, but for Nawal computer, we choose Tecware Nexus M. It is for the protection of a computer components from any damage. We suggest to Nawal to use the computer case that have the specification we choose to easily contain many components such as the display, motherboard type, expansion slot and so on. The price for this one is RM129.
So next is the processor. For Nawal, we highly suggest Nawal to use processor AMD series. For the better result, Nawal should consider AMD Ryzen 5 3400G that come along with Radeon RX Vega 11. This processor featuring of 4 cores and 8 threads, and this model having a base clock speed of 3.7 GHz and a max burst clock speed of 4.2 GHz. It gives Nawal a better user experience during running CPU intensive software such as Adobe Premiere Pro and also Dreamweaver. This processor can boost many tasks with minimal effort of CPU unit that can optimize the usage of the processing. And the price of this processor is around 709.
For system memory, we suggest Nawal to choose Kingston Hyper-X DDR4. RAM is also important in deciding our computer to meet the specification required. We are suggesting 16GB for Nawal because nowadays 8GB RAM is considered as minimum. Many software and programs need more memory to run, so 16GB should be enough for better performance of Nawal computer. In addition, it can also perform multitasking, which somehow helpful because Nawal like to play games and interest in video editing. The price is RM336.90.
Not only that, graphic card is also important as it can help run the render process and it is needed for users who love to playing games on their computer and to make the process become more realistic. In graphic card, there are several video memory which are 4GB, 6GB, and even bigger for the computer. The bigger size of video memory brings the high intensity of graphic quality that should be good for Nawal. For Nawal, who also play games in her computer, we decided to suggest Zotac GTX 1050 Mini as it is more cheaper than others. Even though it is cheaper, but it can still run the games with the software available on the PC. In addition, GTX is only 2GB VRAM, but it also runs the new software that has been developed in 2020. The price for this graphic card is $539.
For hard disk, Kingston A400 solid-state drive dramatically improve the responsiveness of your existing system with incredible boot time without any lagging. It comes with high speed rates and writes data. To copy from SSD to external device, it will take a little time to transfer compared to mechanical hard disk drive. It can also help Premiere Pro improve the speed for exporting video files into computer that make more effortless and decreasing time consuming. The price for this one is ringgit 290. For digital versatile disc, DVD is an optical disc used for storage digital data of computers. It has larger storage capacity than CD and can be repeatedly read, written and erased. For Nawal, we are recommended LG24 Arts DVD, writer GH24 for her DVD. It has been stated that Nawal wants to watch movie through her computer, so DVD is important view movies. This DVD is an internal drive with the voltage of 1.5 volts and DVD are capable to read both CDs and DVDs. The price for this DVD is Rm50 ringgit.
Next is operating system. Operating system is interface between computer user and computer hardware. OS is software that perform all the basic tasks like file management, handling input and output, and also control over the system performance. For Nawal, the most suitable OS is Windows 10 Pro that can meet all her requirements. As we mentioned, we suggest Nawal to have a PC with Windows 10 Pro 64-bit at 64-base processor. This is because Windows 10 Pro can reduce the errors and bugs that give badly effect for Nawal's PC. It also very compatible and support apps programming that suit with Nawal taste, and it is as a user-friendly that can do anything. User interface of Windows 10 Pro also is a simple and not too crowded for Nawal to use. The price of this operating system is around 130 only.
Microsoft Office 365. It is a commonly used application as it is very easy to access and update anytime and anywhere. Microsoft 365 includes Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Microsoft Teams, and many more. It is ideal for students as well as those who are working because they can complete tasks smoothly and easily on Windows, Android, and iOS devices. This proves that it is a great fit for Nawal as a student. Microsoft Office 365 also provides some packages, but I prefer Nawal to select packages that have Microsoft Teams. Nawal can use Microsoft Word to create an assignment such as report and Microsoft PowerPoint to create the slide presentation that are a common assignment given by the lecturers. In addition, nowadays we are exposed to online classes, so Nawal needs to have Microsoft Teams to communicate with her lecturer and friends to discuss about their studies anytime and anywhere. Microsoft Teams is a professional learning because it is very easy and Nawal no longer has to go out to meet her lecturers and her friends to complete her works. This is a free version.
The other software that we highly recommend for Nawal is VB.NET Programming. This software is good and easy to learn. However, if Nawal did not have the right skill in using it, it is useless to have this software. So Nawal have to learn on how to use it, as the app can give a lot of advantages to Nawal. For example, Nawal can create applications that are fully object-oriented, the same as C++. What's special about this software is it is a simple multi-threading, which lets Nawal application handle multiple tasks at once. By this, Nawal can save her time and do any task simultaneously. The feature of this app can facilitate Nawal work as it will automatically format the code. This is the free version.
Now C++ specification designed by Bijan Strotop. Review release C++ 20. Operating system, most major, typing discipline, static, nominative, partially infer, developer, ISO or IEC, JTC1, Joint Technical Committee 1, SC22, Subcommittee 22, WG21, Working Group 21. C++ is a popular programming language for general use. It may be used for the development of operating system, browsers, game and others. This application also supports various modes of programming such as procedural, object-oriented, functional and many more. It is suitable for Nawal as Nawal is a student that involved in doing programming. Not only that, as Nawal is also a gamer, she also can use this application to try in creating her own game. The price is free version.
Moreover, Adobe Dreamweaver is a web design and integrated development environment application. It is usually used by people who want to create and design websites. This application generates code directories to help users writing code, as it includes code editor which supports syntax highlighting, code completion, real-time syntax checking, and code introspection. So, it is very suitable for Nawal who is learning about programming. The price for this one is RM16.19, which 1 set and 16 apps.
Okay, now Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere specification, category creativity application, subcategory creativity, video editing and production, license type box spec, license category shrink wrap, minimum supported color depth 8-bit, version 6.0. Adobe Premiere are widely used in software applications, especially to edit video editor on Mac OS or Windows computer. The function of Adobe Premiere Pro is to edit video, film, commercial as well as other online video. This software is a great application for editing video. It's also a part of the Adobe Creative Cloud set of applications and often used alongside with After Effects and Photoshop on creative projects. The price is RM60 ringgit 90 cent. Is 1 set 16 application.
Not only that, we also suggest for Nawal to use Adobe Director, as this software is suitable for her study course. With this application, it can help Nawal to be more creative in creating something like producing her own video and have an incredible editing style. It is because features available on this software like native 3D content with various effects can be included in the video, and Adobe Flash that includes simple vector-based drawing tools that can help Nawal to produce a great quality of video. This software is only for free version.
For Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, it allows to read and print any document in the form of Adobe Portable Document format and also called as PDF file. PDF files are very simple and can be shared, viewed, browsed, and printed by anyone who also has Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. It is very useful to make Nawal easier to do assignment because the sentence structure in a PDF file will not be affected when she shares the file with others. This is a free version.
So for antivirus, Avast Antivirus. Avast Antivirus specification, operating system Windows 10, memory 1 GB RAM or above, hard disk 2 GB free space, resolution 1024 x 768 pixel. For antivirus, we suggest Nawal to install Avast Antivirus as it can be downloaded for free. Avast Antivirus has 2 versions, which is the basic version that user can have it for free and premium version that users has to pay it. However, it is more than enough for Nawal to have the basic one, as the feature provided may be sufficient to protect the real home computer user. The price is free version.
Next, input device, keyboard. The best keyboard for Nawal is mechanical keyboard, which is keyboard K87. This keyboard has a good feature although with an affordable price. For example, if Nawal uses this keyboard, it is not easily damaged as it only requires a little force to push down the key rather than a normal keyboard that usually we have to put more force when using it, then can lead the keyboard to be damaged. This keyboard is more comfortable for typing and also to play a game. The price is 48 ringgit and 31 cents.
For mouse, we recommend Nawal to use mouse HP M150 because it is a wired gaming mouse that is suitable for gamer and also student like Nawal. This mouse is an optical tracking technology which have a light emitting code LED that can detect the movement relative to the surface. Not only that, the mouse is also equipped scroll wheel for fast and accurate detecting to navigate. It is also an excellent entry-level mouse with a special next or next button. The price is around 22 ringgit only.
As for the monitor, we recommend Nawal to use monitor as a VG240Y with full HD 1020, 1080 and 75Hz. Nawal need this kind of monitor as it can facilitate all of her works like doing assignments and playing games. If Nawal have a wider screen, more of her documents, media and games can be displayed at the same time. Not only that, with this monitor, Nawal can have a great image quality as the bigger the resolution, the higher resolution Nawal will get. This monitor also suitable for Nawal to watch movie. The price for this only for 499.
So for the conclusion, we hope that Nawal will consider all of our recommendation and will buy the best computer based on the specification that we recommended. All the computer components that we recommend are suitable for Nawal, and all the price are affordable for Nawal to get it as a student. Everything we suggested are based on what we study on the right selection of computer components. If Nawal bought just like have been recommended, Nawal obviously do not have to upgrade her laptop just like normal PC. They need to be updated for at least every 3 years because nowadays technology has changed rapidly. This is because every product that we recommended is already in high technology and also a great version. With this, Nawal can save budget where she no need to spend her money to upgrade her PC in a short of time. If she have everything that have been preferred by us, Nawal can have a great experience whether in doing her assignment or to playing games.